Good morning friends, this is Anu from Anubala's kitchen. Today I am coming to you with again a very simple recipe, my own recipe. I have made upma with breadcrumbs. Now we all make upma with bread pieces. This is something similar to idli upma which we make with idli crumbs. No? This leftover idli we crumble and then we make upma. This is something similar to that. I have made with breadcrumbs. Now generally we use breadcrumbs for making cutlets, generally to bind or coating. Now we need not wait to use the crumbs to make cutlets. We can use it for upma also. This will just be ready in a jiffy, just 10 minutes. To watch the video, I will be showing all the ingredients that is going into the upma while we start making the upma. So first step, I'm heating up the pan. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Oil is heated up. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard. Let it splutter. Mustard is spluttering now. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of urad dal, ulundu, then 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Then I'm adding curry leaves and 4 green chili slips. Saute this. Then add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. And I will saute till the onions turn pink. The onions are changing color now. I'm adding half cup of finely chopped beans and half cup of finely chopped carrot. Salt to taste. This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and then half teaspoon of amchur powder, dry mango powder. We'll just give it a mix. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water. Mix it. And then close the pan and then let it cook for 2-3 minutes till the vegetable turns just tender. The vegetables are just cooked now. It should not become very soft. It should remain crunch. Now to this I'm adding half cup of boiled and crushed, coarsely crushed black chana dal. Karpu kandu kadda. Give a good mix. To this I am adding 3 cups of breadcrumbs, fresh breadcrumbs, not dry. Now you can make crumbs with the leftover bread corners that you cut while making sandwich. Those breadcrumbs. And give a good mix. Now to this just add 1/4 cup of water. Just give a quick mix. And then we will close this and cook for 3-4 minutes on a medium flame. This looks a little dry, so I'm just going to add a little more water and let it cook for a few more minutes. So I'm adding another 1/4 cup of water. Mix it and let it cook. So you can see the bread upma is ready now. We just totally have taken 10 minutes to do this. And I'm adding some chopped coriander leaves as a garnish. You can add more, I didn't have much today. Now this is ready to be served. Bread upma is served now. We're going to have for breakfast today. You actually don't need anything to go along with this. This itself is enough because all flavors are there. If you want, you can have along with ketchup or some raita. Today I'm going to serve this with sweet lime juice. So our breakfast is ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It is something similar to idli upma that we all make, and we all make bread upma also. But this bread crumbs upma will be different. Do try and do leave a feedback in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. There is a subscription button there. Just go and press it there. Do refer your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.